friends, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install APK files on iOS or how to install APK files on iPhone. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. If you want to install APK files on iPhone or iOS devices, just open the App Store. Here you can first download the APK downloader from here. Tap on it and now you can see APK downloader. Tap on it. Here you can see APK downloader is appear. Tap on download and go back. Here you can go to the Safari or any browser. Search here APK files. Tap on it and here you can see APK files. Tap on it. Now you can see here you can select any categories, all APK files, mobile apps or mobile games. Tap on all APK files. Here you can see the many many APK files on this. Tap on this 8 pool. Here you can tap on download free and now you can see here you can see tap a number and submit and go back and again open the APK downloader and the APK files which we download from the browser will appear here and install on iOS device and use it. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you and all you know how to download or how to install APK files on iOS. So guys, don't forget to share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.